Let's learn English through daily conversations. Today's topic is, talk about your neighborhood. Are you ready? Let's get started. My lovely neighbors.
Darling, do you know how lucky I am to live in this neighborhood? Everyone is so friendly to me.
Really, Grandma, what makes it so special?
Oh my, the neighbors here are always helping each other. Let me tell you about 3 of them.
I'm curious, who are they?
Well, first, there's Mrs. Stark next door. She's always bringing me homemade jam.
That's so sweet. I bet it tastes amazing.
It does. And then there's Mr. Lee across the street. He helps me fix things in the house, like when the light bulb goes out.
Oh, that's so nice. I'm glad you have such helpful neighbors.
Yes, and don't forget Mr. Tran, who brings my mail when I'm not home.
Wow, your neighbors are so kind.
They really are, dear. It makes me feel like I'm part of a big family.
That's so wonderful. I'm happy that you're loved and cared for here.
Oh, sweetie, I knew you'd be happy for me. It's nice to be in a community like this.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Neighbor. A person who lives near or next door to you. Community. A group of people living in the same area who share common interests and resources. Homemade. Made at home, especially food that is made by hand. Your listening question is: what does Mr. Lee help Grandma with? Answer: he helps Grandma fix things in the house. Traffic problems.
Oh my, I can't believe the traffic in this area. It's getting worse every day.
What do you mean? I think the traffic around here is okay.
Seriously, every morning, it's like a nightmare. There are so many cars and no one can move.
Well, there's a lot of people, but it's not that bad. I've seen worse.
Worse, oh, let me tell you. First, can you see there are always cars parked on both sides of the road?
Yeah, but they're not blocking the main street.
Also, there are so many people crossing the street at random places. It's dangerous.
Oh, now that's true. I don't know why they have such bravery, but it's a busy city, so people have no other choice but to walk everywhere.
And third, every time there's a traffic light, cars stop, but they don't go when the light turns green. They're just stuck in a big mess.
Okay, I see your point now. Maybe the traffic here is a little worse than I thought.
Exactly. Oh my, I'm definitely going to be late for work.
Well, at least we're walking, so no traffic congestion for us.
Right, we are walking, which means we can also run. Come with me, little brother, let's go.
Hey, didn't you just lecture me about dangerous traffic? Oh my, wait for me.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Traffic. The movement of vehicles, people, and goods on the road. Congestion. A situation where there is too much traffic, making movement slow. Mess. A situation that is disorganized or difficult to deal with. Your listening question is: what are the 3 problems the sister mentions about the traffic? Answer. Cars are parked on both sides of the road. People cross the street in random places. Cars don't move when the light turns green. The modern city.
Oh boy, look at all these tall buildings, my dear. When I was young, this street was full of small houses. Now everything has changed so much.
I know, Grandpa. It's amazing to see how modern everything is now.
Well, I remember when the street was peaceful and quiet. Now, it's so busy, with so many cars and people everywhere.
Don't you like it? I mean, the city looks more exciting and has so much to offer now.
Maybe, but sometimes I miss the old days. There were fewer tall buildings, and the air was fresher.
I agree, but now we have so many cafes and shops. Everything is more convenient, don't you think?
Oh yes, but I'm glad some of the old food stalls are still here. At least we can enjoy those old tastes.
You're right. The old food stalls are still the best.
They sure are. And even though the city is growing so fast, I think we can still find a bit of the old charm in these places.
I agree, Grandpa. You make me want to grab some street food right now.
Haha, me too. Let's go grab some of that unhealthy ice cream that your mom never wanted you to have.
You still remember that? Let's go. Grandpa, I will pay.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Tall buildings. High-rise buildings, usually with many floors, commonly found in modern cities. Food stall. A small outdoor shop selling food, often on the streets. Charm. The quality of being attractive, special, or unique. Your listening question is: what does the grandfather miss about the old days? Answer. He misses the peaceful street, fewer tall buildings, and fresher air. Hosting a barbecue party.
BBQ is such an amazing idea for our daughter's 5th birthday.
Haha, a BBQ always sounds fun. I'm just worried it might be too noisy for the neighbors.
Oh no, we can keep it quiet. No loud music, no loud games, no loud cooking.
But what if people start talking loudly?
We only invite a few families. It will be fine. Also, why don't we invite the neighbors?
Inviting the neighbors sounds good. More people enjoy the party and less people complain about it.
Exactly. I have prepared a lot of food. We can go over to their houses and start asking.
All right, it's early in the morning now. I think most of them are waking up. I will go inviting them now. You stay home with the grill, okay?
Great. Let me have a barbecue with burgers, sausages, and lots of vegetables.
Oh, I love BBQ burgers. I can already smell the meat.
Thanks, darling. Let's get going. This is going to be so much fun.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Barbecue. A social event where food, especially meat, is cooked on a grill outside. Grill. A cooking device used to cook food over fire or hot coals. Gathering. A small meeting or party where people come together for a social purpose. Your listening question is: what time is the barbecue party held? Answer: it is held in the morning. Opening a shop.
Hey, what do you think about opening a coffee shop here in the neighborhood? We could get a lot of people coming for coffee and check-ins.
A coffee shop sounds good, but I think we should open a convenience store instead. People need easy access to daily items like snacks and toiletries.
But a coffee shop will be more fun. People can come in, relax, and spend time with friends.
True, but a convenience store is practical. Everyone needs to buy something quickly.
Oh no, we can't just sell snacks and drinks. It's too boring now.
Maybe, but what if we combine both? We can have a coffee area and still sell daily items like soap, snacks, and drinks.
Hey, that's actually a great idea. A cafe corner in a little store.
Exactly. People can get coffee and also grab things they need. It'll be the best of both worlds.
We could even have some small tables for people to sit and work while enjoying their coffee.
I like that. It sounds like the study space at my college.
Alright, let's do it. I'll start looking for space in the neighborhood.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Coffee shop. A small cafe where people can buy coffee, tea, and light snacks. Convenience store. A small store that sells everyday items like snacks, drinks, and toiletries. Vibe. The atmosphere or feeling of a place or situation. Your listening question is: what kind of shop do the brothers decide to open? Answer: they decide to open a shop that has both a coffee area and a convenience store. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.